Is he allowed to park like that?
No.
Господине, не може тук да спирате на пешеходна пътека.
Моля?
Why is he not allowed to park like that?
Because it was near a pedestrian and it might block our view.
It was before the pedestrian crossing.
Yeah.
How far away before the pedestrian crossing is he allowed to park?
2 meters?
Not 2.
5.
5 meters before.
Yeah.
Because if he parks closer than 5 meters,
Then we won't be able to see anything.
we won't be able to see. He's
Yeah.
blocking the visibility.
Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Нашият екип от опитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.